Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So welcome back to my YouTube channel Fun with Data Science, and today again I am with an emerging talent Saqib. So Saqib is basically a student of Lovely Professional University, a BTech first year student of CS branch, and even a winner for 3 days Python bootcamp. Yes. So basically I had taken a 3 days Python boot camp at Lovely Professional University, which was organized by the Khoj organization. And in that, basically, Sakip is the student who won this competition, who won this boot camp and made successfully and a wonderful animated login system. So today he will be showing you that animated login system. He'll be telling you about himself and basically what he had done in that boot camp. And with that, I would just like to thank the Coach organization to make this boot camp, to conduct these boot camps for nurturing their students. So that a really wonderful thing that they are planning these types of boot camps and giving the knowledge to the students. So now over to you, Saqib. You can start introducing yourself.
Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Saqib and I am currently studying in Lovely Professional University. So today I am here to share my experience of Python Bootcamp which was held on 1st Feb to 3rd Feb. So it was a grateful experience of 3 days with Miss Shambhavi Gupta as our instructor. But now she is the instructor at she is an instructor in Udemy also. I learned lot of things about Python from Bootcamp. So basically, Python was organized by a student organization, Khoj. The motive of Khoj is find your real you. Khoj gives us many opportunities to give our show our skills and learn. One of them is Python Bootcamp. I heard about Khoj from a UMS system. So in Bootcamp, we learned about keyword identifier, statement, comment, variable, data type, operators, tuple, dictionary, list, loops, for loop, while loop, etc. So, and in last day we created a login system using Tkinter module. So it was an animated login system. We created using Tkinter module. Basically, Tkinter framework provides us Python user with a simple way of creating GUI elements. So graphic user element using widgets found in TK toolkit. So now I am explaining a code what I do in bootcamp.
Okay, so Saqib, you can now just start sharing your screen and let everyone know that what were the things that you had made in this animated login system.
Sure, man.
Yeah, visible.
Okay, ma'am. So basically, I use two modules, Tkinter and PIL. So firstly, I import whole things from Tkinter modules. So it's abstract. Star means that I import all things from Tkinter module, and from PIL I import image and image takey. So from Tkinter I specially import message box. So first, starting, I create a class, a name of login system. So in class, I initialize a function by passing two parameters, self and root. So basically, and the title of this login system was "Welcome to Avengers, Mighty Heroes of our Earth." So after that, I set the geometry. So geometry. After that, I set an image at this place. So after that, I set a background image of Avengers Avengers logo, like shield, etc. So after that, I created a rectangular box of width 350, height 470, and it was placed in 1050 in a y-axis, and y-axis is 150. So and in the rectangular box, I set the title login system. So I created two box, username and password. So and username I used Andalus font of 15 font size. So and in password again use endless font, and font size is 15. So So username was placed in X50 and Y40. So basically, it was a game of number. So in which place we want to place our any uh, any things like image, login, image, username box, password box, etc. So after that, I created a button for login into my dashboard. So in this I use active foreground and active background. So it basically means so and we all notice in while we all use Instagram and Facebook, we all notice this while clicking on a login button. We observe that when clicking uh, login button and the color of login button didn't change. So active and foreground and active background work like this. So I place login button at that place, and after that I created a login frame. So I after that I we all see that during when we log in into Facebook and Instagram, we see after username, password, and login button, we see a small thin line, which and on thin and that thin line it was written that or. So this uh, with this command uh, we copy we use that feature. After that, I created forget password and username password button. So uh, after that, I created a small rectangular box, and it in that it was if you want to be signed up in that login system, like I written that you can be next avenger, and I created a sign up button, and that's it. So here I use my 16 images. So that I use these 16 images in my animated logging system. So these are 16 I import using PIL module by call its function image tk dot photo image. So after that it wa- I uh, it after that I in brackets I didn't file path. So and you can see that I here I write the place of that image where I have to set that. So after that, I created a function animate. So with this function, uh, with the help of this function, we swap our image. So for putting some animation, I use simple swapping. So after in we I I use simple swapping. So you can see that I use after function. It is an inbuilt function in PIL module. So you can see that after 1500 millisecond, image will be swapping. So it means 1.5 seconds. So it will automatically swap image. So in last I write to root is equals to tk. It means tk means tk means it was tick into window. So I created an object, and in that object I uh, call my class, and in class I pass a parameter root. So after that I write a root dot main loop. So I'm going to run my program, guys. So just see that. So you can see that I use that 16 images, and that is the background, and that is that is the rectangular box that I created first, and that is next second rectangular box. And you can see that here is the username text message box. Here I can write anything. So and username and there is a password. So you can here is a login button, and for if we forget password or any username, so here is a two button, forget username and forget password. So you can sign up in this also using click on that sign up. So that was my project. So that's it.
Okay, very wonderful, very wonderfully explained, Sakib. So this was the login system which is made by Sakib. So here on the left hand side, you are able to see different images, right? So this is the work for that we have done the swapping previously in the function, right? Def animate was the function, and inside that only we just did the swapping. So we just did the swapping for exchanging these images, okay? So in that case, as soon as we done the swapping, these images are being exchanged, and like this thing made the system a animated login one. And in the middle, you can just see the logo. So basically, he had used this background. So that is why you are able to see this like image in the between. After that, on the right hand side, you are able to see a box. In that box, it is written login system. Under that, he had defined two functions, that are username and password. Okay, so if you just want to enter your username and even enter your password, so you can just do that. So these all things are made. So basically these boxes are made. After that, we had like he had made the login button, okay, using the button function of the tkinter module. And then simply he had given two more options using the or one, that forget password. If you had just forgot your password, so click on this button, and if you had forgot your username, then click on this button. And otherwise, if you do not have your if you do not have already username and password, then what you can do, you can just click on the sign up button and make your account for this login system, right? So this was the whole about this code and this module and the modules which he had used and made this wonderful project. So I would really like to thank the Khoj organization and the founder of Khoj organization, Shubham Kumar Pandey, for making and for doing these boot camps, for conducting these boot camps, for nurturing these students in a very wonderful way. Okay, so this was a 3 days boot camp, and I would just really thank the whole Khoj organization team for conducting this boot camp. Sakib, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, or we know that without instructor we can do anything. So, as our instructor, Miss Shambhavi Gupta, she explained everything well. She explained well everything to us, and she explained like us that there is no doubt left to us. So, thank you, ma'am, for giving us valuable time uh, uh, taught us. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, most welcome, Sakib. You can just stop presenting your screen now.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
basically, now you all know that basically what is our motive? Our motive is to bring the students, bring some students who are emerging, right? Who are going beyond their limits and just doing the thing. So as we all know that Python is a topic in which is taught to the college students in the second year, or even in the third year also. But this boy just learned this Python programming language in the very first year and made this wonderful project. So I would just really appreciate it. And with this, I would just want to end it for now. So Sakib, you want to say something at the last?
I want to say that just never ever give up your dreams. That's it.
Okay. So we'll stop here for a while. So till then, thank you and take care.
Thank you.